Hey folks, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add these beautiful product slider sections to any theme. A quick note about these sections is the way that they work is you can hand select each one of the products that you want to display, either through a meta field or just directly in the theme. So for example, if we hover over any one of these groups, we can select the product. You hover over the next group, we can select other product and so on. So this is really nice to put either on your homepage or a collection page at the bottom or on a product page. And then you can hand select which products you want to display right inside of this section here. I personally have a client who uses this section on their homepage and they curate which products they want to display, and they swap it around every couple weeks or so. With that being said, if we back out to the section level, there's a few different important settings. If you have Horizon or Dawn theme, you can set the width to Dawn or Horizon and it'll match up. Or you could set your own fixed width and adjust it to whatever size you want. Or if you're a developer, you can pass in your own custom class for the width. I'm just going to select the Horizon theme. Then the next important thing to note is within the layout, we can change the title up here and we can also change the font color. We can also hit customize here to drag down slider settings and also arrow settings. On desktop, if we want to change how many slides we are showing, you can set it to 2.5, and we can even allow this to loop and autoplay if we want a little bit of interaction to automatically go on the site. Also, these sections look absolutely stunning on mobile, and you can swipe past any of the product cards. To edit the product cards, all you have to do is hover over the group and select your product. But you can also swap out your image if you don't like your featured image for that product. You can also hit customize if you want to center align any of the content, or if you want to add in a custom gap, you can add in more spacing. But other than that, you can really go nuts with these. You can even add in your own custom block above this if you want to add in, for example, if you wanted to say new here or something, you could add in a block and add a little bit of text. But you may be wondering, how can I add this section to my theme? And you can add this section to your theme through this app here called Flexi. For context, I am a professional developer who's been working on Shopify sites for the better part of 5+ years. And I pretty much strictly only work with Shopify Plus clients at the moment. And I decided to make my library public full of these sections that I use on my own professional stores. And I would typically charge about $1,000 to build custom sections, but you can use my library for just $12 a month. Considering this is maintained monthly and something that I keep up to date, it's a steal of a deal, especially if you consider it's like having a developer in your back pocket. With all that being said, if we hop over into Shopify after the app is installed, you'll want to go over into the slider sections tab and then select your theme. Once your theme is selected, you can search for the product section that I just added into the theme and demoed for you. All you have to do is type in product, and you can see that we have product slider 1, product slider 2, or product slider 3. All you have to do is hit add section after you select your theme, and the section will be added directly into your theme. If we go into the Shopify theme customizer, all we have to do is hit plus up here. And then if we type in product, we can choose any of our product slider sections that we added in. I'm going to just select this first one here. As you can see, it looks pretty awesome out of the box. Just to make a few quick edits, I'll expand the width. I'll drop in a product here. I'll drop in my granola bar product. As you can see, it's pretty easy to set up and use. If you like this video and if you're interested in learning more about how to edit within the Shopify theme customizer and even how to build Shopify themes, I highly recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyways, cheers.